Welcome, in front of me is DELL 7320 Detachable, and in this video I will show you how to update Windows on this tablet. So to do it, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then in Settings, select Windows Update section. And here, if you don't have the prepared updates for your device, you'll have the check for updates button right here. So just tap on it, and after your device checks for updates, you'll have a screen like mine where you'll get a list of updates, and you'll be able to install them all by clicking install all, and then just wait until the updates are installed. And if you'll have to reboot your device after the updates are installed, you'll see the sign right here which will say that some updates require your device to be to restart for the changes to apply. Besides, if you go to advanced options below, you'll be able to see optional updates, and here you'll be able to see both Windows updates and driver updates that you can install for your device. And as you can see, I already get the notifications that the restart is required. And as you can see, most of the updates that are installed, actually almost all of them, are waiting for the restart of the PC. As you can see, some of the updates are unsuccessful because they require other updates to complete. So you can click retry, and if they still don't want to restart, still don't want to install, then it means that you should first restart your device, then go back into this section and install them in the second order. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.